Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
Today on 11th of June, southwest monsoon has set over Goa, and the northern limit of southwest monsoon is now up to a place called Harna in Maharashtra. That means the entire Goa state has been covered by monsoon, and now it has reached up to a point called Harna. Now, as the monsoon has reached over Goa, the rainfall activity over Goa is going to increase from today itself. IMD had already warned from around 9th of June that rainfall activity is going to increase over Goa from 10th onwards, and on 12th and 13th will be the peak activity of rainfall over Goa. So just continuing with that same warning and forecast, IMD has issued a red colored warning for 12th and 13th of June. Now regarding the activity of monsoon over the past 24 hours, Goa received widespread rainfall yesterday. Most of the stations received rainfall from 15 mm to 70 mm of range.